So we are recording for Arav and I am explaining here how to quickly change these fractions into decimals. If these are this decimal fraction, we call these fractions decimal fractions. The fractions with denominator 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 or anything 10 to the power n. Means 10, 10, 10, 10, 10 के groups multiplication के groups में जब भी आपका denominator होता है, that can be called as decimal fraction. Now these decimal fractions, they are very easy to be changed in a decimal. Why? You just count the number of zeros and you leave that many places and then put a point. Now because you only had two places here and the third place you needed to left, इसलिए you'll put a zero there. So the answer to this is, this 24 by 1000 is 0.024. Why 024? Because 3 digits I need to leave it from my left and then put a point. The same way 62 by 10, just a 0, just leave 1 digit and put a point. 6.2 is the answer. These are decimal fractions. They are very easy to be changed into a decimal. But the fractions like 4 by 5, 1 by 4, 1 by 25, 1 by 20, 3 by 50, they are not decimal fractions. How to change these fractions quickly into decimals is it you'll make them decimal fraction quickly. Now to have decimal fraction, I know the denominator should be 10, 100 or 1000, right? How to make 5, 10? 5 can be made 10 by multiplying 2. That means I'll have to multiply 2 to the numerator as well. 4 twos are is 8 and 5 twos are is 10. This is my new decimal fraction and the answer to it is 0.8. I know. Why 0.8? Because there is just 1 0, you leave 1 digit and put a point. So 0.8 is the answer. The same way, how to make 1 by 4 as a decimal? I'll change this into decimal fraction first. Now 4 ka multiple is not 10. I cannot make 4 10. It has to be the multiple, no? I multiply something to 4, I get 10. 10 is not a multiple of 4. So from 4, I cannot obtain 10. Lekin from 4, I can obtain 100. How? Times 25. 4 times 25 is 100. So when I am multiplying denominator with 25, I'll have to do the same with the numerator as well. Now 25 by 100 is 0.25. Why is it 0.25? Because there are 2 zeros here. So you leave 2 digits and put a point. 2 digits left from left, and then put a point, right? The same way I'm doing with 3 by 50. Now 3 by 50, to make it 100, it's very easy. 50 times 2 is 100. So I'll make this multiply with 2 also. This is 6 by 100. Because there are 2 digits, leave 2 digits and put a point. This is 6, right? 6 is this one. So 6 and then I'll have to put a 0. So that becomes 0.06. This is how you people convert the fractions into decimal fractions and then change it into decimals. But what if the number is 2, 3 by 16, a number where 16 is neither a multiple of 10, means 10, 100 and 1000, they are not the multiples of 16. So in this case, 16 times 2 is 32, 32 plus 3 is 35 by 16 is the fraction which cannot be changed into decimal fraction. That means by long division method, 35 by 16, you will simply divide things and write the decimal format. So 16 times 2 is 32. You subtract, you get 3. The same way you put a point, a 0 and keep on solving this. And this decimal form will be there with you here. Okay or not, everyone? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So Arav, when you are looking at this recording, you have to send me the answer in the comments box. Okay. Okay, Bitaji. Now we are solving question number 2. Write to 6 decimal places. Now, how to write to 6 decimal places? First of all, let's understand what is this dot representing here. This dot you people can see 6.14 and this dot, can you see it here over 4?
Yes, ma'am.
This means that this 4 is repeating itself. 6.14444444. It's repeat. The one having a dot on it, that means that number is getting repeated. They asked you to take it, put to 6 decimal places only. That is the first place, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So this is your answer. Getting it, beta ji, or not?
How?
A dot or a bar, they mean the same.
Okay.
Right? A bar also means that the number is repeating itself. Bar, 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 bar. Hai na? The same way this number with the dot also is showing you that this number is repeating itself. That is a repeating decimal expansion. Repeat हो रहा है ना number कोई? So that is a
Ma'am,
repeating decimal. हाँ जी.
Ma'am, but the only difference between a dot and dash is a dash tells that more than one number is being repeated.
नहीं, it's not like that बेटा. देखो, if I tell you 3.1892 और यहाँ पे 2 जगह आपको you find those dots. इसका मतलब क्या है? इसका मतलब है a bar is on these 3 numbers. This is the starting point, this is the ending point. So the decimal expansion will be 3.1892 pattern is repeated. This is the pattern repeated. जिस पे dot नहीं है, that is not repeated. मतलब जो इन dot to dot के loop में close नहीं है ना, that is not repeated. So 892, 892, 892. Got it everyone or not?
Got it, ma'am.
Okay. अगर मैं अब आपसे पूछ रही हूँ 5.72691 and you can see the 2 dots here. Abhi, who will tell me the answer to this? Priyansh, I want to hear it from Priyansh. Priyansh, tell me what is the answer.
The answer is 5.72691. Then we have to get it to the 6 decimal point. So we're gonna repeat the same thing. 72691.
Aryaman, is Priyansh correct? 72691. Should I repeat? 72691. Should I repeat this same pattern? 72691, 72691.
Ma'am, I'm also doing it, ma'am.
Reyansh, you tell me, is this correct?
No, ma'am.
That is not correct, Priyansh and Aryaman. Look at screen, I'll explain you why.
Okay, ma'am. So the answer is 5.2691, 2691, like that, right?
तो ये 7 नहीं आएगा यहाँ पे.
नहीं आएगा, ma'am.
आएगा बेटू, बस ओनली फर्स्ट टाइम आएगा, रिपीट नहीं करेगा खुद को. रिपीट यही पैटर्न करेगा. द आंसर इज 5. आर्यमन देखो, द आंसर इज 5.7. सिर्फ 2691 रिपीट कर रहा है. 2691 खुद को रिपीट कर रहा है. 2691 सिर्फ खुद को रिपीट कर रहा है. गॉट इट और नॉट बेटा? बार बार नहीं लगाना, लेकिन 2691 2691 रिपीट हो रहा है. समझ में आया? तो ये 2 डॉट्स मींस इनके ऊपर इज अ बार. गॉट इट और नॉट?
Yes,
So only 2691 जो डेसिमल प्लेसेस हैं, they are repeating themselves. बाकी जिन पे बार नहीं है, डॉट नहीं है, that is not repeating. समझ में आ गया कि नहीं आया? क्लियर है आर्यमान?
Ma'am, can you repeat again, ma'am, how to do it?
बेटा देखो, जो पैटर्न 2691 है ना यहाँ पे, that is only repeating itself. ये देखो 2691, then again 2691, then again 2691. 7 रिपीट नहीं कर रहा है खुद को, क्योंकि 7 पे वो डॉट स्टार्ट नहीं हो रहा था. डॉट टू डॉट स्टार्टिंग और एंडिंग पॉइंट, इट इज रिपीटिंग इटसेल्फ. दैट इज इट. गेटिंग इट और नॉट?
Yes.
और एक दो एग्जांपल से समझाऊं? So, ma'am, I had another question. Like, if you see in the fourth part of this, ma'am, it for me it looks like 0.903. We have 903. We have to repeat. Do we have to?
Why would you repeat 903? 9 के ऊपर तो बार ही नहीं है.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
देखिए एक बार स्क्रीन पे. द क्वेश्चन इज fourth part देखते हैं. This is 0.903 and it's only a bar over 0 and 3. So how will we write this? We'll write this as 0.9. I'll write once and only 030303 will be repeated. Got it, Aryaman, or not?
Yes, ma'am. No, I get it.
Okay. So tell me, if I give you 5.692 bar over 92, how can I expand this? Tell me, Aryaman.
Ma'am, first 5.6929292.
Very good. Priyansh, आप बताओ. If this
Okay,
is
ma'am.
2.3702 and the bar is over 702 only.
Ma'am, the answer will be 2.3702 continuously. Like it would be unlimited time written because there's no limit.
So should I write 3702, 3702,
No, not like this, ma'am. Point, like it will go like this: 2.3702, 702, 702, 702,
Very
to continuously to infinity.
Very good. Very good. Clear or not, everyone? Good. Complete this question number 2 also. Jaldi se. Question number 3, it's the same as question number 2. It's just that we need to write 8 decimal places. So we are only discussing this third part. Rest you people can do as your homework. Okay. So this question is 0.313 and there are 2 dots over these 2 threes. That means from 3 to 3, the set is repeating. This is the meaning of these 2 dots. So that is 0.313, 313, 313. But these are 9 places that I have taken. They have asked you to only take 8 decimal places. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Only till here you will take the answer. So the answer is 0.313313. That's it.
Ma'am, can you go to the next slide? I want question number 4.
Ma'am, I got confused. I thought I had to write it 8 times.
No, beta, that is not repeating it 8 times. That is 2 8 decimal places only.
Yeah, but I did it, ma'am. So, is it correct, ma'am, or incorrect?
For in the second question you did that, no? You must have repeated it 6 times, है ना? कोई बात नहीं, उसमें से only put the box. जैसे I have only selected the correct one, no? ऐसे ही उसमें से only select the correct portion. इतना is the correct one.
Ma'am, as long as the numbers are correct, is it fine?
Beta, it is not the correct answer for what question is asking you. Otherwise, the concept is good. That means the same. But the question is asking you to write only till 8 decimal places, no? And to only till 6 decimal places. So, easily put that in the box. Whatever they are asking for, put that in box. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
If I ask you what is your name and you tell me I am feeling fine today, I am feeling better today. Obviously, that is the correct information. No, you are feeling good. But is that the correct explanation of the question as well? Naina? If I ask you what is your name and you tell me I am good today, I am feeling okay today. Is it okay?
Ma'am, it's
Naina?
not okay, but some people's name is like that. If you want
It
to.
is really not okay. You people cannot answer something else when something else is asked. तो जो भी क्वेश्चन लिखा है आपने एग्जैक्टली उसी को आंसर करो. ओके चलो नाउ वी आर डूइंग राइट ईच फ्रैक्शन एज रिपीटिंग डेसिमल्स, recurring decimals or repeating decimals. देखो बेटा, in all the cases that they have given you here, the denominators are the numbers 3, 6, 15, 6, 12, 74, 11, 7, 7. These numbers cannot be changed into decimal fractions. So what do we need to do here? We need to only divide. So we'll do this with the long division method. And
Ma'am,
do you
I had a
remember how to
doubt.
do that?
Ma'am, I had a doubt. Ma'am,
Bolo,
till
bachcha.
how many decimal places do we have to write it?
3 decimal places are good enough. If they have not mentioned 3 decimal places, you should leave that. Okay. Or एक minute, let me tell you one thing. This is, they are saying that we need to write it as repeating recurring decimal, no? So you will have to do it, keep doing it till you get the repetition.
Ma'am, so till I get the same pattern of numbers.
Yes, exactly. So let's do it here. Ariman and Priyansh, look at the screen, beta, how to do this. 1 is a smaller number than 3, so I'll put a point and write a 0, right? Got it? Now 3, 3s are is 9. I'll subtract, I'll get 1 again. And 1, 0 I can put by myself because this decimal is already there in the quotient. Now 3 times 3 is 9 again. I subtract it, I get 1. 1, 0 I can put by myself because of this decimal in the quotient. Now 3 times 3 is 9 again. You subtract it, you get 1 again. So this is, I'm stuck in a loop, right? So how to write this as a repeating decimal? I'll write this as 0.3. Either a dot I'll put, or I can write it as 0.3 bar. Got it or not, बच्चे लोग? Clear?
हम कौन से पार्ट करने हैं इसके या बाकी सारे होमवर्क है?
चलो मैं आपको एक और पार्ट करके दिखाऊंगी. 4/15. 4/15. और बस फिर अब बाकी पार्ट्स आप खुद से कंप्लीट करेंगे, ठीक है? So I am first of all putting a point and writing a 0. Now 15 2s are is 30. I'll subtract, I'll get a 10, right? Because of this decimal point here, a 0 I can put by myself, right or not? Clear or not, bache? 6 are 90. Subtract, getting 10 again. Abhi, 8 zeros you can put by yourself. Again, 6 are is 90. You subtract, you get a 10 again. आर्यमन, आप मुझे इसे रिपीटिंग डेसिमल के फॉर्मेट में चेंज करके बता सकते हो?
Ma'am, which one?
The one I am doing on screen, beta.
Ma'am, can you point to the question, ma'am? Because I was doing this ones also, because I was checking.
Priyansh, you tell me.
Mom, the answer is 0.26.
That's it.
Like that, two dots. That with that bar.
On what? Both the numbers, 26 pe.
ma'am.
Bar on both the numbers.
Yep, ma'am.
Beta, only
No,
over
ma'am,
6.
bar only on 6. Bar only on 6.
That is the answer. ठीक है?
मैम 5th क्वेश्चन कर सकते, बाकी सब तो होमवर्क ही है ना.
सारे अब आपको खुद ही करने बेटा, ये सारे 5 you have to complete by yourself.
होमवर्क